If your team relies on multiple apps to manage support operations, manual updates can quickly slow things down. With the Make integration, BoldDesk can connect with your other tools to automate ticket, contact, and contact group workflows, helping your team reduce manual work and keep data in sync across systems. In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Make with BoldDesk by setting up scenario triggers and actions. Before you begin, make sure you have a Make account, access to create or edit scenarios in Make, your BoldDesk domain and API key, permission to create and manage webhooks in BoldDesk, and access to any apps you want to connect in your workflow. To get started, sign in to your BoldDesk account. Go to the Admin module, then Apps, and select Marketplace. Search for Make and open the app. Click Install to continue. You'll be redirected to the Make sign-in page, where you need to enter your email address and password, then click Sign In. Next, click Create Scenario. Search for and select BoldDesk as the app. Then, choose the instant trigger event you want to use. BoldDesk supports trigger events for tickets, ticket replies, ticket notes, contacts, and contact groups, including both new and updated records. If you've already created a webhook, select it from the list. Otherwise, click Add or Create a webhook to create a new one. Enter a webhook name and select a connection. If you've already connected a BoldDesk account in Make, choose it from the drop-down. If not, create a new connection. To create a new BoldDesk connection, enter a connection name, then enter your BoldDesk domain. Then paste your BoldDesk API key into the API key field and click Save. After that, save the webhook. Then, click Copy Address to Clipboard and register that webhook URL in BoldDesk so Make can receive BoldDesk events. Once the webhook is added in BoldDesk, return to Make and click Save to complete the instant trigger setup. Click Run once to fetch sample data and validate the trigger. If the group name field appears empty in the trigger data, it usually means the ticket has not yet been assigned to a group. In that case, add the Get a Ticket module in Make to retrieve the complete ticket details before continuing the workflow. Next, let's create a scenario action. In Make, create a new scenario or add another module to your existing one. Search for and select BoldDesk, then choose the action event you want to use. If you already created a BoldDesk connection, select it. Otherwise, create a new one using your connection name, BoldDesk domain, and API key. Then, fill in the required fields or map values from earlier modules in your scenario. When you're done, click Save. To verify the action, click Run once and confirm that BoldDesk creates, updates, or retrieves the expected record. Once the setup is complete, the integration works like this. A BoldDesk event, such as a new ticket or updated contact, can trigger a Make scenario. Make then processes that event and passes the data to the next module in your workflow. From there, you can automate actions in BoldDesk or other connected apps based on your scenario design. You can also use Make to send data back into BoldDesk. For example, another app can trigger a scenario that creates a ticket, updates a contact, adds a note, or retrieves a record in BoldDesk. This integration is useful for scenarios like creating follow-up workflows when tickets are updated, syncing contact information between systems, or automating actions across your support stack without manual effort. If your webhook stops receiving events, check the scenario history in Make. Repeated failed runs can cause the webhook to be disabled automatically. If that happens, fix the issue, re-enable the scenario, and run it again to confirm everything is working. Like and subscribe for more BoldDesk tutorials and explore more integrations and support workflows. Thanks for watching.